Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Tips. Hope you all most well. Today our drawing I about how to teach a masjid. Draw the base. Start by sketching a rectangle or square to form the main building outline. Step 2. Add the dome. At the center of the rectangle, draw a large rounded dome. This is one of the most features of a mosque. The dome should have a slight curve at the top and be proportionate to the base of the mosque. Draw the minaret on one or sides of the mosque. Draw tall, narrow minarets. Minarets are usually cylindrical and toppled toward the top at a small rounded top for the minaret. You can have one or more minaret depending on the style. Step 4. Add arches and windows. Draw several arches along the walls of the mosque. These can be positioned above the entrance and along the side of the building. Add small detailed windows along the arches, open in a symmetrical pattern. Step 5. Create the entrance. Draw a large ornate arch door at the front of the mosque. This is typically more detailed with decorated elements like a calligraphy or geometrical pattern. Optional landscape. You can add elements like a courtyard, a small garden, or prayer mat in front of the mosque to make it more lively. Take your time and remember that Islamic archery trend too. Okay, bye bye.